Hi guys, welcome to Car Collect 101. In this video, I'm going to review a hydraulic jack. Its brand name is Eagle Professional Tools. It has a 210 capacity with a minimum height of 148mm and a maximum height of 278mm. The case looks sturdy and portable. Its case height is 9.5 inches and its width is 6 inches. Let's open the case. Inside there's a manual, the hydraulic jack, and its handle. Its actual minimum height is 6 inches. Let's check its actual maximum height. Let's pull out the extension screw. Then we're going to lock the release valve, pump all the way to its maximum. Its maximum height is around 11.5 inches. Now let's test it on a car. We're going to block the tires so that it's safe to lift up the vehicle. Also on the other side, place the jack under the jacking points. You should refer to the owner's manual if you don't know where the jacking points of your car is. Now we're going to unscrew the extension to get the full height of the jack. Release the handbrake of the car. We're going to pump the jack to its maximum. Pump until there's no movement on the ram anymore. Now let's check the wheels. The space is just enough to turn the tire and remove it. See the space below? I think the space is just half an inch. Now let's release the jack. Turn the release valve slowly to lower the car. Push down the extension screw. If it is still hard, adjust the release valve. Then try to push down again the extension screw. For me, this jack is good for small cars because of its maximum height. This jack is just fine if your work is changing tires only. This jack is sturdy and portable. I don't recommend this if you're working underneath the car and if your work is for long periods of time. You should accompany this with jack stands if that's the case, and because of its size, you can save space in your compartment or other storage areas. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell.